Hello, good evening. My name is Ahmed. I know I don't want to do the part two of how to create a post for Google Business Profile. Either you are a business owner or you are someone who are expert in helping businesses to set up their search presence on local SEO. So, because one of the things that make most Google business to rank and to be able to get visibility is by posting content, posting something that people can be able to target on. And this will be able to rank your website and people can be able to see your businesses and patronize your business. So I want to teach you how to schedule a post on Google Business Profile. So this will help to rank, and I'll also teach you how to list products on Google SEO. So subscribe to my channel to know more how it works. So my excess education, subscribe to the channel to know more latest information about Google Business Profile. So firstly, if you want to schedule a post on Google Business Profile, you have to come to this section, which is posts. So once you post, so you come to what? Create, add a post. So this is one of the posts I actually make recently. This will be scheduled on August 5 and August 10. And this one I'm going to schedule now will be on what? We I'm going to schedule. So I've already created a content blog for it. And I also have the image product that I wanted to use as already on brand. So it now depends on the kind of product that you are actually selling. So then most businesses couldn't understand that optimizing your product content also matter most. Because when you are if you don't optimize, Google won't be able to understand what you are actually doing. So now I want to post the six of the product, which is perfect perfect ma training perfect a perfect marathon training for lighting hydration. So I just want to, and this is what I wanted to put into the image. So Google be able to understand what is the image all about. You can describe it, but this I want it to show on the blog so they can understand when people search, it will be able to perfect on it. So the next thing is what after this is what the image is all about. So the next thing you can see, so the next thing you can describe what the image is all about. Like, okay, the lady wearing a jacket, moving, you will describe what the image is all about. But I just want to put the keyword on search. So then the next thing to do is what about the content I want to what to post. So I just want to create the content. I've created the content, so I just want to post it right now. So because I make a keyword research that will be inside the content as well. So the next thing is what? Let me copy the content that I wanted to use. So it now depend on the kind of content that you are doing, the kind of product that you are selling and everything. So the next thing is what? So I'm working on the six I'm working that is 14, then so I'm working on this because I've already do keyword research on it, and this is what I wanted to post. So the next thing is what? I've copied the content that I wanted to use. Then the next thing is to paste the content on it. So to paste the content. So after pasting the content, the next thing is what? The next thing to do is adding the URL link of the website. So now the descriptions on training on what an hour with what you need a marathon that what best disappear and less deliver you can see. So the next thing to do is adding the URL of the website on it as well. So the UI, if it's actually a website or maybe it's a platform, so it now depend on the website what you want them to link, or maybe you want to link your WhatsApp. So any kind of form how people can reach out to where you wanted to let them see what the offer of it. So this will create a traffic to your what? To your businesses. So the next thing is this is where the time I wanted to schedule the post to. So now maybe you wanted to add buy now, sell or anything maybe like that. So just add it on it. So I've already scheduled the post right now. So this will be the what the next product they I want the blog that I wanted to post. So the next thing to do is what now if you want to add a product on what Google Business Profile, you come to edit product. Then after clicking on edit product, add new product. So you can see it's actually under pen. You can see this product. Let me show you one of the products I actually list recently. So this is one of the products I actually list recently. So and your product has been reviewed. It takes to 30 minutes. The product will be visible and approved. So that is this one all about. So you can actually change it or whatever. You can see I've already have the URL and everything on it. So and add the landing page as an option. So this publish. So you just need to what publish. So it's actually under review. So you just click on. So this pending is actually on pending. So if you want to add more product, you just come to this side, then you select the product name, the category of the product, maybe it is sportswear as well, then the price of the product, then the image of the product as well. So let me just pick one of the product randomly. So let me pick this. So then the name of the product, you make sure you have already read the title and everything, the description and the UI. Then you can now what publish it because most businesses couldn't understand that Google Business also need management. It's not just to set up a Google Business for someone. You have to collect, you have to take it as managing because the more the content, the more how you are managing, the more how the business will actually reconcile changing. So the next thing after that is what? So so this is how this one actually work. So if you want to, so the next thing I want to teach you, maybe you want to have a booking, you want people to book your service. You can see link your booking to like maybe you want someone to book you. Like okay, let customer book you directly in a custom link on online. Maybe they want to book you, they want to have a visual communication with you. So you can add your calendar, you can add your Zoom on everything anywhere or the link that they can actually be able to have a Zoom with you or having a what? A booking with you. This is how this works. So review. So if you want to edit your profile on Google profile as well, this is how you can what edit your Google profile because the first video I actually do, I couldn't finish up the video. So this is how you can set up. So your the locations of your businesses. So we have what we call area of site, that is citation, the number of where people can connect with you, where you can serve, the connectivities of where you can actually deliver what everything. Now this is what so then if you actually get the payment of anything like that, so we have the what about us. So this is about us. I create an about us, the name of the business, what the business offer, the phone number and everything and service area that you can serve. That is the citations map. So And if you want to check the performance, if you want to check the performance of your business to know how maybe how it's searchable on search engine or not. So you come to overview. So you can click chat click, booking, website click. So this let us check on the website click. So if you come to this website click, you check on it as well. Let me check. You can see number of views. These are the what number of views on the website. So business interaction. So calling. If you have a calling, this is about calling aspect. And a call has been made from your business, then click chatting. So or booking, number of click on the booking aspect. So you can see this, they haven't been able to click on the website link yet. So but the views, number of people who have searched on the website, you can see people who have views your business profile. This is number of people who have views the business profile as well. So the next thing So the next thing is what about reading a review. So if you want to ask for a review from your customer, from maybe you are managing, you can ask them to ask for a review. So that is how. So these are the people who are under their ranking area. So you can see the number of posts that we have made on the profile. So it's yet not been finished. So that will be the end of the video about the Google business profile. So if there is other alternative information about Google business profile, I will let you know. So how to create, you can create it for online businesses, you can create it for physical businesses, you can create it for service as well. So it depends, but you make sure that the owner of the businesses must have a physical number for verification purpose. So that will be so if you want to know more, subscribe to our channel. If you have any question, comment Google business profile under the BM, or send your comment under the section to explain more better what you are facing. Thank you.